box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now me here, you know the Jesus Christ, me know you hear the soca music is our playing, so you know say it's carnival time. And let me just tell you these people a little bit of a good news. I shall be going to Trinidad Carnival. I'll be going to Trinidad Carnival 2019 in a couple of days, so I'm very excited. I can't wait to go enjoy my little time with the people. It's my first time I go to a Caribbean island outside of Jamaica. So you know, say go and shell. Without further delay, let us get into the countdown. Now I'm tired. Yeah, let's go to the countdown. Oh, but now I want to do this again.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Soca Surf. Me doubles, Mr. Killer, the same man who sing, I want that fat gal.
I want that roly poly, I want that big gal.
Yes man, this video gonna come out with him perform and in the middle of it, you know about crowd surfing. I think this take it to a different level. Pre! You know when Red Bulls to them give you wings, that is exactly what them they mean.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Boy, I still don't really understand the whole carnival vibe here, but I'm very eager for go see it and for go experience it. Me not understand. In Jamaica, we not do them type of something here. Lift up people, pan a whole we call it something there. The whole Red Bull bar piece of sitting lift up in the ear. We not do them things with artists. Our Jamaican artist can't even crowd surf. The last one, when me and G-Wizzy tried one time, and I this we do him. So, I don't really feel a thing, but you know, Mr. Killer, you alone can pull off them sort of madness there, so yeah man, big up yourself. Number 9, Utech blocks. Me free elective. So the other day, I am minding my business, you know, so I wake up in the morning, I drink my little tea, all of these things, make me little egg and bread. I'm gonna there scroll and buck up on, you know, one little message from the Jamaica Gleaner. And then right after that, I'm gonna start to see some videos, some pictures, images where basically look like, say, Utech students a Black Road. So same time I have to say, me bull a next string, what the box foot this is going on? So then now I'm going to read the article and this is what it basically said. The Jamaican government has come under scathing criticism from students and staff lobbyists of the University of Technology, Utech, who have condemned being treated as the poorer cousins to the neighboring University of the West Indies, Mona. Correspondence was yesterday delivered to the Office of the Prime Minister and the Ministry of Education with concerns over a wide disparity between the subventions the government offers both universities. Now me read it same time I have to say what the box foot does subventions mean. Lord of his mercy, if me don't know the word yet by now, it is going to look like say high hard dunce. But you know what, I must just tell myself, say, Berry, you're bright. You must can match this out in your brain. So basically I match it out and I say, yo, the government come like a parent. And you say all like a college them come like the pitney them. So you might have one pitney where a 5-year-old, you might have a pitney where like a 12-year-old, another pitney where probably like a 17. So you know right there and then the 5-year-old you say, yo, me just give you a little $500 and you're good. You're good for the day, you get me? Me teenager now, you know, like about 10, 12 now, me can say, yo, me I give you a little $1,000, you're good with that. The 17, 18-year-old now, me I say, yo, me give you $2,000. So basically you take say, yo, me tired of the little 5-year-old treatment. Me not depend on like a $500 thing no more. I want more money because me I put in as much work and me I do as much good as the rest of school over here, so. You get me? And so that is what me kind of make out say subventions kind of mean like money where the government allocate the different college them. Hopefully me right.
Subvention means a grant of money, especially from a government.
You have sense. That's that me like about you. You have sense. You're not fool.
Exactly.
Yes, that me like about you.
But anywho, what did you make of this whole entire protest? Do you think that Utech students them have a right, or you think them for just stay quiet and just stick with them get? Comments down below. Number 8, choreo fetting. Me yard slippers. My word, my sentence. So this video, me book up on Facebook with this brother, this Caucasian brother. Me do not know if him have Caribbean friends, if he have Trinidadian ancestors, or some other type of me no know, but this is not 100% Caucasian. Because them type of dancing here is second to only Marshall Montana and Mr. Killer. Pre. And that girl, she give her 150%, you know. But that boy will look like one little knockoff Sheldon from Big Bang Theory.
Well, hello.
Decide say no, him not going to take a runner-up spot. He is going to make sure say him step up on the level where the girl I bring. But let me know, people, you have any non-Caribbean friends who you bust on 1 and 2 dance move more while? Let me know, comment down below. And now check out the random video of the week.
Go out there, sir. Show them how you trick people and make money. Show them how you trick people and make money. Go out there, sir. Give me what now? Give me the what? I went to go. Cripple and turn on the cap instantly. I want to juggle. And that's why I'm going to serve for the type of people here, man. All of your work, I get sick now, you know. You can't trick me again, you know.
Number 7, Spice Tours. Me neck back. Dancehall artist Spice. I do not know what it is about her, but she just can't escape the social media countdown. So let me just start off. She kicked off her Black Hypocrisy tour at Utech. And basically, I think it was a good initiative. She was able to like have dialogue with the students them and anybody who wanted to attend and just discuss like colorism, black hypocrisy, and yeah, she get a really, really good turnout. Pre.
Here, the first thing you're gonna hear is, Lord, you can't fix up yourself. If I was a queen, I would knight her.
And then right after that, my girl is not staying still. She went to the motherland, the place where Nelson Mandela is her from, the place that Wakanda originated. Well, Africa. But more specifically, Gambia, and some of the activities that went on.
You like it, mommy?
Yes. I love it.
But I'm a girl.
I can't get home. I didn't push my keys.
I can keep that nice home.
No. My keys.
No, you see all the brother they were saying more for kiss, but you know the African man that they don't hard play. And then at one point she go try to go touch this not lizard, Jesus Christ. Try to go and touch this crocodile / alligator. Is it a crocodile or alligator? Because I cannot tell the difference.
So now you can say I've touched live crocodiles in it.
Yeah, you can stay there.
No, don't go, sir. Sir, don't go away.
No, it's okay. No, okay. Just calm down.
Sir, don't.
Calm down.
Touch it.
Sir, where you gone?
Sir, responding to
Me not press. Touch him now.
Nah, press. Touch yourself.
I'm not gonna lie, like Spice, you braver than me right there saying that because me think me that be more like TC in that situation. Me not touch it. Me watch too much TV show. Me watch too much movie. Me not trust nothing. Number 6, Gargamel speaks. Buju Banton. Gargamel. Wicked and swell. Yeah, but need to go work on the Buju Banton impression then.
It's a local communication. What?
My word, my sentence. So, Buju Banton, him out of jail, out of prison, all of them things here, and the brother is taking over social media. No, I do not know who is the person behind the social media page who really orchestrate everything. But look on the picture there where the big bang boss post. Like, look on them bend up foot type of pose here, type of model like him, GQ magazine. Just free people. No, man, honestly thing same here, all of the love and the attention we might get online. And him start feeding to it right about now. And then he posted this video, breaking his silence.
86 months of chains is finally over. I have deliberately kept my silence so I could observe with my own eyes what is going on, not only locally, but globally. How are you? I am ready for you. Are you ready for me? I have enough things to talk about. Realize upon this everybody attack and run off their mouth, Yeah, readily admit I'm ignorant to it, but I'm gonna get it. You'll see. But until then, stay tuned. And I hope to see you, because I need to see you. We got so much things to talk about.
But let me know, Burritos, will you be going to Buju Banton's concert coming up in a couple of weeks? Comment down below. Number 5, Dr. Dances. Me and top. No, this video is a video that you do not really see every day in Jamaica. Well, if you really drive and take bus, you will see them type of things here every now and again. But let me just say, this video surfaced with this. I guess it might appear to be a conductor. You know, him a them little run-ins and all of them little stuff there, and music a play, music a blast. I think it was a Hydonia song. And you know, when certain song hit you, your inner skeleton will jump right out. And that it did for this brother. Pray.
Your body pretty like a Hispanic, do this for me now, go twist for me for
Well, no, since this video release, you know, people, they kind of shock, people call the brother all kind of names and all kind of things, hashtag and cold fat. But at the end of the day, I'll have to say this, you know, everybody broke out to a certain song when it ready, you get me? Some people broke out publicly, some people broke out privately, but song, it might have just been in like a idle random fun, and that is what it was. Number 4, Vibes makes Fox. Me person sentence. We all know say Vibes Cartel is a name that is basically legendary right about now. Vibes Cartel do not need to make another hit song to still be considered one of the icons, them, one of the greatest persons to ever touch the music scene in Jamaica and the world.
Walk foot dogs, them strolling, grab a girl body and start rolling.
Well, it look like so the word is spreading, and Fox 5 became aware of it and featured the whole full feature on the World Boss.
From some popular vloggers who are proof of his growing popularity and influence around the world. The sunny beach scenes and bright lyrics of Summertime helped make this a hit for Vibes Cartel, bringing him legions of new fans beyond dancehall.
No, I'm not lie, this is a good look. This is a good look. This is a good look.
Personal charisma. He's seen by many as a voice for the streets, defiant in his individuality and unlimited creativity, as we see in Last Man Standing.
I see why it's important that sometime we left from Jamaica and go find work at foreign, because me know say I must one Caribbean link, one little Gaza fan the inside of Fox, so basically tell the people them say, yo, you better do a feature brother, you know man. You need to do something about Vibes Cartel because you're going to get likes, shares, comments, and you're going to go viral. Me I tell you how Jamaican people support Cartel, you know. You say you do a little one feature, and everybody from the West Indies side of things are going to start to tune into your station, you know man. I saw it, I'm going to go, man. So let me know, Burritos, what did you think of this Cartel feature on Fox? Comment down below. And now check out the second random video of the week. Number 3, Fowl attack. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So this story took over social media, and it was because this legendary promoter, he was hailed as the man behind the whole British link-up party them, was actually shot and killed in Kencut recently. I know the whole messed up thing about it is that right after the news came of his death, there was a video that popped up that actually showed him a couple minutes before he was shot and killed, just at one street side dancer, full joy himself. And the irony of all of this is the song that was her playing. What was the song, people? It was Popcorn's Family. let me just read for you what was mentioned in the paper. Roy Fowl, real name Owen Clark, 62, was the leader of an international drug ring for several years. In June 2004, he was found guilty in the United Kingdom of producing, supplying, and processing crack cocaine and sentenced to 13 years in prison. The sentence was reduced to 2 years after his appeal. Alright, so it was a brother who did kind of dabble up in some little type of things, but what I am hearing is that he was kind of like a Robin Hood. Boy, right about now, me know so the whole dancehall community feel it because he's one of them staple personalities there within the whole dancehall space. So let me know what you thought about this whole entire situation. I'm not going into who might have done it and I'll kind of hearsay because there is enough vloggers, if you go up on YouTube trending right now, enough vloggers out there covering this story. But boy, all I have to say is me just like tired of them type of crime, man. Like me just like it's just, boy, Jamaica, yeah, peace and love. That's all I can say. What you thought about the story, readers? Comment down below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run come. Sing along. Well then, big up every.
But first, I'm gonna big up Sean Paul and his wife Jody Jinx. And when we first said no, like them basically announced that they will be having another child and that this next baby will be a girl. So congratulations and all the best.
But split for me. For me, baby girl.
And also, readers, we have to go and big up Miss Davina Bennett, Miss Universe second runner-up 2017 on launching a model agency in Paris. Yes, man, big deal settings, all of these things. And also, we have to big up social media personality Jay Frey, upon him birthday, upon him Heartstrong. Ever there yet, sometimes you want to go up on the road and you want to tune into like one good football match, the Red Stripe Premier League, but if you're on the road and you just can't bother where me ever get to sit down around the TV. No need to fear, you have a app now that you can use from anywhere. It is called the Island Sports Network app, or if you're kind of old school, you can draft the website still. But Max cover, not only that, with the Island Sports Network app, you can get to stream all of the Barbados Premier League matches and the Trinidad Super League matches as well. All of that for the low price of $3.99. And if you use my discount code, my promo code DUTTY, you'll be able to get % off. So the information is going to be in the description. Make sure that you make use of it. And yes, you know, so we're still in Reggae Month, Black History Month. So let me just show you a little piece of a performance that Priscilla did some years ago, dancing to some good old reggae music.
Hey yo, this is Sean Paul of Flossing and you don't know we're endorsing the Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked.
Number 2, Patrice again. Me pat cover, you know, there are a select amount of soca artists that I really enjoy, and especially soca female artists, I'm going to name them. There is Destra, right? Destra, she have to do it. There is Alison Hines, yeah man, have to hard there. There is Fayon Lyons. There is Denise Balfoon. But one of my special dear ones them is Patrice Roberts. Like, me can't just say her name regular. When you hear her name, you have to say Patrice Roberts. Me get the Trinidad accent same time. Lord of his mercy. Patrice, me know Patrice. Like, me don't really know her personally, but me connect to Patrice from she sing the song the years ago, must have from 2014 named Sugar Boy. Sugar boy, please understand. You never give my dinner to another woman. I mean, if I say, who the girl, fresh from the scene, me don't know she. And then, surprisingly, years later, she still make herself relevant. She still produce hits. Whew! Anyway, may I digress. So let me just get to this now. So you know, say Trinidad Carnival, you know, it's a one right about now. And Patrice today I do her little thing I perform in Trinidad. While in the middle of our performance, this brother, a patron in the crowd, decides that he's going to go reach out and go touch Patrice Roberts' good, proper body.
You feel you could handle it, that white it. This melody kind of how in a bite. You feel you could handle it. Long time now.
And you see, right after that heart transpired, no him wife in that running for go attack Patrice. So Patrice had to clap back and tell her this.
Long time now you're marking me. Hold time. Darling, don't worry, I don't want your man enough. I don't want your man. Who wants him? Nobody else? But I know that thing there. What the hell? Body man to man, okay?
No, me not understand. You did a dance with your man, and your man go touch Patrice, and you decide for go take on Patrice. No, your man, you have to take up that with my girl, man. No, man.
Don't worry, I don't want your man enough. I don't want your man.
No, man, you have to do better than that, man. Come and try for go take on my nice, clean Patrice Roberts. Sure, man, you know, you made me want to call your mother, you know. Boy, I need to go work on my Trinity accent.
Your man probably want me. I don't have a touch, right? Put your hands in the air. Start to jump. Right. Check and carnival in the head. Put your hands in the air. Wine and somebody and run. How is a wine about? So take your wine and to.
You know what this reminds me of? The time when Angel did a performance and carried the man up on stage and the wife come take him down. Well, let me know, burritos, what would you do if you were at an event and your partner chose to come touch an artist on stage? Comment down below. And number one goes to Dancehall. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot essay. So this story now, this is the headline of all kind of headline. And I don't know why every time it is around February going into March, into April, there is this whole debate of soca versus dancehall. You know, let me just say, recently some UWI students came under fire after they basically participated in the Mr. and Mrs. UWI Law competition where the theme was dancehall. And so naturally, you know, they have the promotional pictures, and so they posted up images in dancehall type of attire. Me Boxfoot, who go tell the picking them up at UWI for go and hard do this? Because you must understand, you know, there are certain things at play. The University of the West Indies is a noble, prestigious institution and they should refrain. Let me correct myself. Why was I using a basic word such as not? Let me say refrain. And so after these competition pictures were posted, it never really sit too well with the powers that be at UWI, and they were taken down.
Wow.
But then now things they kind of died down. But not before the Gleaner. The Gleaner newspaper run in and make a whole story of it and put up some of the girl in face big on the paper. The Mona Law Society at the University of the West Indies, Mona, has come under fire from at least one senior member of the law fraternity for posting of photographs of some female law students in skimpy clothing on its Instagram social media page. The pictures were posted as a part of the Mr. and Miss Law 2019 competition, which the Gleaner understands is being held under a dancehall theme. Describing the pictures as vulgar, disgraceful, and reprehensible, attorney at law Peter Champagne has withdrawn his participation in the Students Group Expo scheduled for next week. Now, we'll talk about Peter afterwards. No, let me just say this. I understand everything totally. Me know how you is strict. Me know how you will like to keep up them morals up here, so. And you know, go on like them, you know, holier than every other thing. Me kind of understand it. It is the University of the West Indies. The creme de la creme. Me understand all of that. And on top of that, you know, me I discover, yes, this field of law. It's very strict. It have whole heap of rules and all kind of things that govern it, all kind of practices that govern how you should behave, how you should walk, how you should talk, who you should marry, where you should go, all kind of things. I have friends who are a lawyer, and them tell me say them can't even, if them go on one carnival party, go wind up 1 and 2 times, people pre them when them come back in the office and I say, this is unbecoming. Why, oh boy, we have to focus on a lot of these issues because I am sick and tired of people bastardizing the dancehall culture. Me do get to them have like raunchy sides to it. There is, you know, an adult side to dancehall, but dancehall is not this whole thing that you have to bombard with hate and you have to totally vilify and make it look like say the worst thing since creation. No man, our culture, man. We're in a Jamaica, it is a part of our culture. The best thing you could have done is like, yo, set to the pit them say, yo, we're going to take this down, or I'm sure say multiple pictures on the take. Maybe you could have choose other pictures will probably look less provocative, if that is the issue. But for somebody to really come out and to kind of like demonize the pit them for participating in the theme and representing the culture like that. Me not really like it, man. Better you pull them one side and say, yo, boom, 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 bang, this is what you should have done. Let's see how we can try to tweak it so that the competition can still go through. That never cool, man. You know, just change the tone, man. You have to kind of understand the Shreps, man. Yeah, man, boy, that's just it, yeah, man, because I get really hot and vexed and just cross, angry, miserable, bound to kill a meds over this whole entire topic. I love my country, I love my culture, and all I have to say is that this is just a learning lesson, and hopefully everybody, all the parties involved can have a discussion about it and move forward peacefully. Okay? Well, that is it, Burritos. Thank you so much for watching another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and hit the like. And also, leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. Me, I wait for you. Hit the subscribe button. And you know, since Uno would actually are pretty live right now, let me tell you this. If you don't leave a comment, I'm not going to put out another social media countdown for the next 12 days. So put a comment right now. I joke, but I'm serious. Like, leave a comment. Okay? If you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to advertise within the countdown, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay? Take care until next time. Yeah, I think next time I'm going to actually dance Trinidad. So, yeah.
Dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo.